Hello, random person from the internet. I make this video to show potential eBay buyers that those two drives are working. But stay tuned. You can hear the nostalgic sound of those drives. So here we go. Oh, that looked like a super fun game. Ooh, I did a great choice there. So let's switch the floppy on the other side. Maybe the game are better there. Let's switch cable. Okay. Oh. Zagzag, Beachhead, Pit Stop. Those are great games. So here it is. Those two drives are fully working. If you intend to use them, you should probably clean the head and lubricate them. But that's it. I will let the game begin before stopping the video. I don't have a fast load, so it takes a long time, but it's all good. More nostalgic sound for us. So you probably can't read, but it says now loading Zaxxon, broken by Above Ground Software Limited, May 7, 1984. So here is Zaxxon. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.